If you are thinking of buying a very good case for your Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL, please be very careful while checking the title, because this is one of the reason I always tell everybody to check out the link in the description to get the correct case. So what I did is, when I ordered a particular case, this is black matte color case, which I received for the 9 Pro and not the 9 Pro XL, guys. And the thing is, the seller had put a description for 9 Pro XL and not just for Pro. So sometimes even sellers or anybody can make a mistake. So I will put a link for the 9 Pro XL phone, the bigger phone. So this is a bigger phone, guys, which I have in hazel, and it is really looking gorgeous. But unfortunately, this particular case won't be fitting the phone because for the smaller 9 Pro and not for the 9 Pro XL. And as you can see, it is not fitting. So check out the link in the description if you want a similar case for your phone, that is Pixel 9 Pro XL. And do subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of videos on the 9 Pro XL, and also check out these other videos too. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did by creating it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in my next video.